For more than 150 years, the Shady Bend Manor has been a monument to the man who had it constructed. Standing nearly 70 feet tall, it remains a proud reminder of its builder and still adorns the countryside in Coshocton County, Ohio. It took 5 long years to construct this one-of-a-kind architectural masterpiece. The bricks were fired on site, and its mighty timbers were cut from the surrounding land. The manor has withstood rain, snow, lightning, fire, and the test of time. It's had its share of ups and downs, triumphs and tragedies, years of use and years of neglect, but the sunshine still beams through its old wavy glass. To book a tour or an event, call us at 330-407-0278 or visit us at www.shadybendmanor.org.